Welcome everyone. Today, we are going to talk about the maintenance requirements for casement invisible grills. First and foremost, regular cleaning is essential to keep your invisible grills in top condition. Use a mild detergent and a soft cloth to wipe down the grills and remove any dirt or dust. It's important to inspect the grills periodically for any signs of wear and tear. Look out for rust, loose screws, or any damage to the wires. Make sure to lubricate the moving parts of the grills, such as the hinges and locks, to ensure smooth operation. Do not forget to check the tension of the wires regularly. If they feel loose, tighten them carefully to maintain the integrity of the grills. In case of any damage or malfunction, do not attempt to repair the grills yourself. Contact a professional installer to assess the situation and make the necessary repairs. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can ensure that your casement invisible grills remain sturdy and secure for years to come.